Namaskaram. We are looking forward to serve those persons who are really obsessed with their well being. At any cost, if you are looking to be healthy holistically and naturally, you can count upon us. No need of going for high end technological diagnostic procedures. No need of spending huge amounts of money on unnecessary medicines, unnecessary shots, and um, unnecessary unknown myths that are considered as healthy. Example, taking lot of oranges, lot of non-veg during this crisis is very damaging. So if you are a person, if you are looking for a very natural way of getting healthy and maintaining it, not getting healthy, maintaining it, sustainability of your health, we are there in the front row to serve you. We are not looking at a short term result, and we are so new that I myself have started learning cooking in order to serve the best. And the recipes that were told in Ayurveda are actually life rejuvenating. They are actually empowered with a lot of immunity, lot of rejuvenation, lot of what do you call the very potency that we are looking for. If you know a person who is diabetic or thyroid or hypertensive or even having infertility problems or long term chronic psoriasis and other skin diseases, musculoskeletal joints, anything, you name it, we are there to provide a wonderful solution. Only one thing we need from you is your commitment. Commit to yourself that you are going to follow the things that we explain to you with all the scientific evidence in the upcoming videos and also workshops. Those who are interested can actually send a mail to my mail ID, or you can also send a message request on WhatsApp, so that we can enroll you for the upcoming paid session, which is going to be free for the group that is coming first. And this is the first workshop we are going free and might be the last. So please don't miss the chance. We are very intended to help you with minimum basics. People are charging huge amounts for those minimum basics, and we have kept a nominal price, but that too is waived for the first time. Minimum basics of how to maintain a perfect diet. Only by diet you can become a non-diabetic patient, like who is dependent on insulin also can become insulin free, even thyroid. There are some periods that we take, like there is a transition period. The previous medicine that you are using should not be left at once, it should be left slowly. So that will be there. Transition period is always there for any process, any disease, any medication that is actually being replaced or substituted with some other medication for the same purpose. They have that transition period. So that will be there, diet will be there, and moreover you will have a great customized yoga and customized exercise. For example, There are Vata Prakriti Surya Namaskaras, Pitta Prakriti Surya Namaskaras, and Kapha Prakriti Surya Namaskaras. Yes, there is a set of like Ayurvedic yoga is there, Ayurvedic exercise is there, disease specific yoga is there. Come join, get entertained as well as get well. Coming soon. Those who want my WhatsApp number, it's in the description, and my email ID is also in the description. Please utilize this wonderful opportunity. Thank you all for your valuable precious time. Thank you.